Hi. So today I'm going to introduce you to an exercise that's super, super, super powerful. So sometimes we might not even be aware of it, but we might actually have cords of attachment. So these are energetic attachments that we have with others without even realizing it. And essentially, what that is that so think of attachments you might have. They could be from the present. They could be your current partner. They could be an ex-partner. They could be a family member. They could be an old version of yourself that you're wanting to let go of. And those attachments are on the heavy side. They tend to be either needy or codependent, and the attachment doesn't even necessarily need to be from the other person's side. They could be from your side too. So you could be the one who's bringing in the heaviness. So today's exercise is fantastic because it cuts the cords energetically that are heavy. So the way I see it is I see like a black cord connecting us from the center, from our center to another person. And that is the cord of heaviness that we want to, drop to the ground, let the earth recycle it, let the earth transmute it and pass it on. And what we want to be left with is the cord of the lightness between us. So at the end of yoga classes, we tend to say namaste. But namaste is more than a salutation of thanks and gratitude for our practice and for our teacher. Namaste is also a greeting that we can welcome every person that we come across in our life. Because namaste means the divine in me bows to the divine in you. So the light in me sees the light in you. And those are the attachments we want to keep alive. The light in me sees the light in you. And I remember when I first started studying A Course in Miracles, and I was reading a lot of Marianne Williamson's work and listening to her audios and everything. And I remember Marianne saying, "Heavy on God, light in the world." So this is the concept. And so this exercise is fantastic because it's something you can do first thing in the morning as you're still lying in bed. You're intending your day. I intend to have fun today. I intend to be happy today. I intend whatever your intention is for that day. It's always nice to have an intention because it's living on purpose. And then you want to, while you're still lying in bed, just imagine those cords being cut. And let the people with whom you have these kind of attachments pop into your psyche and see that those cords being cut. See a golden sword slicing through the heaviness of these black cords, the cords dropping to the ground to be transmuted and recycled. And what's left between you and these people is the light, essentially. So as you're cutting all these cords, the way I do it is I imagine the cord being sliced all around me. So basically I imagine Archangel coming in with his his protection and his strength and his power, and basically cutting through all these cords all around me. So I see like a circle of it being cut all around so that there's nothing left of that heaviness. And then I see my energy kind of being restored, the light just being able to sparkle within me without any of these cords around. So it doesn't matter. It's not like you're cutting a cord as in you're cutting the person out of your life. On the contrary, you're strengthening, you're cutting the neediness out, and you're keeping the cord of light. So it's a fantastic thing to do. You can do it every day with your partner. You can do it every day with any member of your tribe, of your world. And sometimes you might even have attachments, cord attachments, with people you don't even know. So if you're a public person and you're putting your work out there, whether you're an actor or a writer or in whatever way, you might actually have people plugging their energy into you. And so when you cut those cords, you're allowing every energetic cord to just be released, every black energetic cord to be released, and you're keeping the light energy on board. So the divine in you will continue to see the divine in every soul that you encounter every day and every soul that you come across every day. That is our purpose essentially is to be the light in the world, and so when you take away all that energy that's unnecessary, you restore your energy. And another thing that I like to do when I finish that is I like to imagine a cloak of light circling me to then protect my energy throughout the day, because our energy is everything. Our energy is sacred. We have to treat it with such respect, because our energy is what allows us to create. It's what allows creation to come through us. It's what we take with us into every meeting, into every Zoom meeting, into everything that we're experiencing in life comes through our energy. So if our energy is blocked in any way with any sort of negativity, any sort of heaviness, whatever it is, judgment, a comparison, anything that's like on that side is basically dropping our energy, it's eating at our energy, and our energy creates. So we want our energy to be light, and our energy to be free, and our energy to feel good to us, so that we can be the lighthouse in the world, and take that light with us wherever we go, and whatever transactions we're engineering. So I hope this exercise serves you. Cut the cords with any attachments that feel heavy. So let the light show you the energy cords that need to be cut, and then just finish off by cutting them all, the whole circle around you, so that your energy is free and flowing, and then wrap that cloak of light around you as you take on your day. And you're going to see it's going to really allow the energy to rise, because you're going to be sparkling with energy, with none of those cords like hanging out there with or without your awareness. So I hope this message serves you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.